guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Suha. So guys, if you're new to my channel, click that red subscribe button and the bell besides it, and also like and share this video. So guys, today's video is a book makeover video, and this is the part 1, and I'll be decorating all of my drawing books in other parts which I'll do in future. So in this video I'll be decorating my book, which is YouTube inspired book. So this is the book, and in this I write all my YouTube ideas for my videos, and today I'll be decorating this book. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, this makeover you can do to your sketchbooks, drawing books, and also other books, but today I'll take this YouTube inspired book, and you can also do the same thing as I'm doing, or use your creativity and imagination. So first of all, I'm taking here my black acrylic paint, and I'll be covering my whole book backside too with this black paint. So guys, here I took a tissue paper and kept it between the cardboard of the book so that the pages of the book will not stain with this black paint. So guys, I've painted the whole book black, and now it is dried too. So for decorating it, first of all, I'll use the designs that we are getting in the wedding cards. So guys, these are the cards and the designs which I'm talking about. So the flowers and stuff that you get in a wedding card, I'll be using that for decorating my book. It looks very nice. So first of all, I have chosen this flower, and this, then these designs you can see here, and this flowers and stuff all here, and also this design and this flowers. So from this I'll be cutting some of the designs in the particular shape of the design. So guys, these are the two designs that I have chosen, and then I have cut it into the shape of the design, and they are the gold color. So I'll be using it in my book. I'll paste it at the corners like this using this Mod Podge glue which I've recently purchased, and if you haven't watched my unboxing video, then I'll mention the link in the description box down below, and also in the eye icon at the up right corner of your device screen, so you can watch that video after watching this video. So I'll stick it. So guys, as I was said you in my previous video that Mod Podge is also used as a glue, so I'm doing the same thing. So if you want some more information about it, then you can watch my unboxing video. So guys, I've stick the design at both the corners of the book, and now I'll be using a red chart paper and silver glitter foam sheet to make the logo of the YouTube. So guys, on a red chart paper I have made a rectangle shape with a white color pencil, and I'll be using this glitter foam sheet, and I'll be making the triangle of the YouTube logo. So let's make it. So guys, I have drawn a triangle here on the foam sheet, and then I'll cut it. So guys, I have cut it both the red and the glitter foam sheet which I have cut it into the triangle shape, and now I'll stick it using the Mod Podge like this. So guys, now I'll stick this. So guys, I've stick the logo of the YouTube, and now using this silver glitter foam sheet, I'll write the word ideas and then cut it. So guys, finally I have cutted these letters which spell ideas, and it was really hard to cut it, but finally I did it. Now I'll stick these letters here. Like this, and yeah, let's stick it. So guys, you can see that I have stick the word ideas here, and now I'll do some more decoration to the book. So guys, I'm using this wedding card, and I'll cut this purple flower for decoration on this book. So guys, I've cutted this purple flower and the gold leaves, and now using the Mod Podge, I'll stick it over here like this. So let's stick it. So guys, here I'm also using a tissue to wipe off the excess glue. So guys, I've sticked this flower here, and now I'll use the Mod Podge and cover the whole book with it to protect it. So guys, I've covered the whole book with a layer of Mod Podge, and for the inner part, means for this part, I'll be using light purple color. So guys, here I have made a light purple color. So guys, now let's cover this part with the light purple color. So guys, our first layer is done, and now I'll start doing the second layer of it. So guys, our purple paint from both the sides are dried, and now I'll take this red ribbon. I've cutted the ribbon, and now I'll take my glue and stick it at the back side of the book, like this, and then I'll let it dry for some times. So guys, now it is dried, and it will work as a bookmark. Now if your ribbon is too much long, then you can cut a little bit. So I'll cut it because it's very much long. So guys, you can use it like this, and then whenever you want to remove this page, then you can remove it like this. So guys, now I'll add pockets to this book. So I have to add one pocket here. So first of all, I'll measure how much big I want the pocket to be. So from 1 centimeter till 12 centimeter, and how much long I want it to be, from 1 centimeter till 9 centimeter. And then I'll take a chart paper and mark all the measurements on the chart paper, and after making all the measures, this is how it looks. So this is from 1 centimeter till 12 centimeter, and from both the sides I have added 3 centimeters extra, and from down 1 centimeter extra. So guys, for making it more easy to fold, I'm taking here a ruler and an empty pen. You just have to do like this way on the lines. So guys, I have done, and now you have to fold it first inside, and then outside, and then again inside. The same thing you have to do with this side. Inside, outside, then again inside, and with this bottom flap you have to fold it towards the inside. And this is how it looks from the inner part, and this is how it looks from the outer part. So guys, I have to paste the pocket here. So I'll take it, and then using the glue I'll paste it like this. So guys, I've stick the pocket here, and I want some more decoration on this side. So from the wedding cards, I'm taking this flower, and I'll stick it like this. So guys, here I am taking this silver designing tape, and I'll stick it here. So guys, now I'll take this orange glitter foam sheet and cut the letters of my name. So guys, I have cutted the letters of my name, and now I'll stick it. And now I I'm taking this sticky pearls and sticking it at both the sides of my name. Like this. So guys, this is how the book looks from the front, from the back, from the inside, and from the back side of the inside book, and bookmark. It's a very simple bookmark. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my book makeover video, and the other parts will be coming very soon. So stay tuned for that videos, and if you want to see my other videos, then you can visit my channel. So yeah, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, hope you like it.